Spring is here, the flowers grow, bunnies hop and breezes blow. Little buds are all around, springtime makes a happy sound. Summer sun is shining bright, ice cream cones and flying kite. Splashing water days so long, come and sing the summer song. Autumn leaves are red and gold, crunchy paths and breezes cold. Pumpkins big and apples sweet, stomp your feet to autumn's beat. Winter snow is soft and white, build a snowman, what a sight. Cozy socks and cocoa too, winter time is fun for you. Round and round the seasons go, changing fast and changing slow. Spring to winter in a row, let's all dance and say hello.